The GBPUSD may be gearing up to target 1.4032 this very week, and that is exactly what we want to look at and how you can approach the trade. So this is Mobile Trading Academy, where we simplify Forex trading and help Forex traders make money from the market. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when we release our videos. So without further ado, let's get to the business of the day. When you look at this very chart, this is a daily time frame chart, and you can see the channel that I am currently tracking. To the downside, we've got about 5 bounces to the channel bottom and about 3 or 4 bounces to the upside. So it has been a very solid channel. Price left the bottom of this channel at this point, and normally we should be heading to the top of this channel to complete the symmetry. So when you look at the market structure from this very point where the market, where we got this upside fake out, then down to this side, you can see that we have this market structure giving us lower low and lower high, then this lower low. After we got the completion of the symmetry, we saw price make this equal high with this very previous one, and then we got a higher low, then now we've got a higher high, which is also telling us that we've got a resumption of bullish move from this very point. Something worthy of note is these two equal highs we got here, and these two lows, we tend to be at the same level. So when you look at it, you see that we're having an inverse head and shoulder at this point. So here is an inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, and the neck region is right here, which got broken at this point and price moved up. However, right now we saw the price pull back and is now trading below the neck region. We've got this rising trend line as a support, and we also have this level. So as long as this very level remains, we're certainly going to get a bounce up to the upside, and the height of this very pattern will lead price to 1.4032. that is how we got this very level. So we will most likely be seeing price targeting the equivalent height of this pattern and also completion of the symmetry by hitting the top of this very channel, and that will lead price to around 1.4147 area. When you go to the lower time frame, we can look for buy opportunities within this very area with our stop loss just below this very inverse right shoulder, and our targets will be at this point. However, if in any case we see price begin to break below this very inverse right shoulder, then the pattern is invalidated, and that could send price lower to this very low and possibly to this very low to target the bottom of this very channel. But as long as this inverse right shoulder remains and this trend line also remains, then expect price to move up towards this very level and most likely to the top of this very channel to complete the symmetry. So that is what we're expecting from GBPUSD. So I hope this is valuable to you. If it is, then kindly hit that like button and ensure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.